In today's video, I'm going to show you how to use Ideogram AI. It's going to be like walkthrough video, what is the difference between models, the credit system, how to use the remix function, how to describe image, how to use the style of the image, and so on. So let's get started. We are on the home page. On our left side we've got home, creations, canvas, batch creations and characters. I don't use this one, batch creators and characters, because I'm using the lower plan. Let me show you the plans. I will link everything on the description. So here is the available plans. I'm on a $20 plan. So you can see on the free plan you've got 10 credits per week. It's very limited, but anyway, you can create free account and check if you like the program. And at the moment I don't have any credits left because I use them all, but I'm on the slow credits. Let me show you. I will link this link and you can check everything on this page. This is the tools. You've got private generations, but you don't have it on the free plan, and you can see you don't have private generation on the first two plans. The same is for delete images and image upload and so on. So let me scroll down. The credit system, you can see here the credit system 3.0. it's using 2, 4 and 6 credits for 4 images. 2.0 is using half an image, half an credit, 1 credit and 1.5 credit. And for 1, 2 and 3 credits, we're going to check them all. So let's get back, and here is for the slow credits, slow generations. We need to wait up to several minutes, but you can see it's less than 30 seconds, and it's okay for me because for $20 I've got unlimited generations. So let's get back to the home page. Here we've got this button. We can change from private to public, and the better is to keep this on private. On the free plan you don't have private mode. Here we can change the aspect ratio, and when you hover on the dimensions you can see how it's going to look the layout. This is the landscape. You can see 3x2, 4x3, 5x4 and square. You can add custom dimensions, and from here you can change the layout. Let's keep it on square for now. From here we can see the models. We've got 3, and you can see if I change this to one image on turbo mode, I will spend just half an credit. If I'm going on quality, I will spend 1.5 credits. This is the same for the 3. Let's do it for 4 images, 6 credit, and for turbo 2 credits. And 2, 1, 2, 3 credits, and you can see here. And if you are creating cliparts, you can use just one image, and if you don't like the image, then you can run the second time. In this way you can save credits for more generations. So let's continue. From here we can turn the magic prompt. We can put on auto, you can turn it on or off. We're going to check these functions. I don't have this function now. Design. From here we can switch auto, general, realistic, 3D, anime and design. I'm leaving this on design. Color you can change. You can see only model 3 support color palette. Let's change this to model 3. And now we can check, we can add color palette, but I'm not using this option. And from here we can add seed numbers and negative prompts. So from here we can add the image. When you click on this icon, you can add the, let's say we're going to add this one. There you go. We can describe, we can use as a preference like a style, and we can remix. Let's find better image. So I open in Amazon 2 tabs. One is for Halloween t-shirt design for woman, and one is for hiking. And let's say we're going to use this one, hike more, worry less. So let's open one folder from my YouTube videos, and we can just give me a sec. I can just drag and drop this here. You can see I can double click, save as, and I can save this as an image. Now let's restretch this. Now I can go on Ideogram, and from here I can upload the image, or I can drag the image here. You can see. And the third way, when you are on Amazon, just right click, copy image, go on Ideogram, click on the describe panel, right click, paste, and you can see we've got the image. Now we can describe the image. Let's describe it. We can use it as a style or reference, and we can use up to 3 images, I think. Let's describe this one. It's going to give us a prompt, and we can run this prompt. Let's run this prompt, magic prompt off. Let's run to A, 4 images. There you go. And now you can see waiting, but you can see it's less than 30 seconds. There you go, it's ready. So we need to remove where it says t-shirt, because it's going to be on a t-shirt design. So let's remove this sentence. So here is going to be the design. Okay. This is going to be out. This is also. And I'm going to put everything on the dark gray background. Gray. Perfect. Let's try again. You can see how fast is the slow version, so we need to remove more things from here. Okay, let's remove this one and put illustration design. Let's see what we're gonna have. There you go. Now we've got like t-shirt design. Let's run this. Let's run this on 2 model. And the other thing, when we are on slow creations, we cannot run multiple creations in the same time. We need to wait to finish the creation, and after that we're gonna run the 3.0. But it's ready. Okay, and now we can run 3.0. There you go. And we can see the difference. I'm going to go on creations. So you can see this one is good. They're similar. Hike more, worry less is spelled correctly. Hike more, worry less is spelled correctly. This one is also good. I don't know which model is better, but let's try something else. So now let's use the same prompt, but let's open this one and we can remix this. From here we can use the same image, but we can lower the weight, or we can go to 100. If I put it on 100, it's going to be the same. But if I go on 10, let's see what it's going to give us. We can also put the magic prompt on. We're going to check this as well. This one is pretty good, I think. So let's check this one. It's similar. This one is good as well. And this one is very hard to decide which one is the best. So let's try with magic prompt on. I'm mostly using 3.0 model the turbo one, and I'm very happy with this. But you can play and see the difference, because if there is a lot of text, so you can see this one, but if we remove the background, we can remove the background from here. But if you don't want to spend your credits, it's not very good for t-shirt, because this shadow, it's not very good. Let's remove the background for the this one I think is good. Let's check. Nope. We can try another background remover if we can remove this dark gray color, but let's check the previous one. Let's say this one. Let's remove the background. There you go. We still have like black lines here, but I think it's pretty good. Sorry, we can download, let's open this one. We can download the image from here, and we can use as a style preference. Let's create something different. We can go on search icon, and let's say we want to create clip art. Let's say animal clip art. And we're going to check what we've got on the site. So this is my creations. Let's go on the home page. Go on search, or you can scroll and search something that you like. Let's try something else. Let's use which one as a reference? Let's see. Let's use this one and see what we going to have. So I'm going to use as a style reference, and I will tap hike more, worry less. Okay, and let's turn magic prompt off and see. This is style reference. Let's see what we're going to have. And you can say add the hike more on the top of the image and worry less on the bottom. You can play with the text. So let's check what we've got. This is not spelled correctly. Nope, it's not very good. Let's say hike more on the top. And worry less on the bottom. Okay. Add the text. Hike more on the top and worry less on the bottom. So let's check what we're going to have. 99%. Nope. This one is good. As you can see, if you run several times, you can create at least one good design. This one is pretty nice. I like this, and this one as well. I don't know what is this, but this one is good and this one is good. Let's go on the main page. So we check the style, and we can play with the style. Now I will try to create some clip arts. we are on the main page. Go on the search button and let's say Clipart. Clipart. There you go. Okay, let's say this one, but this is wine art. Let's use this one. Open this, and now we can use this as a reference, or we can remix this. We can switch this to 10%, hit create, or we can remove the image, and we're going to see what we're going to have with the remix version. And I've got one more variation, so this one is pretty nice, and let's use this one without the image. And here you can change the ghost with the, let's say, witch. You can play and create different variations, but this one is very good. Let's check on creations and see. Yes, they are very good. Let's open this one, and you can create set of ghosts as a Clipart pack. And I also asked ChatGPT. Let me show you. I'm using Punmaster GPT, and asked help me come up with 10 t-shirt design prompts in the hiking niche that can be used for in Ideogram. And I've got 10 prompts. Let's run the first one and see if it's going to be good. Magic prompt off. Yes, perfect. We're going to wait few more seconds, and also I can get prompt from here or from everywhere and run on ChatGPT. I will show you. I'm using different GPT. What happened? Let's copy this. Okay. Let's see what we're going to have. And since I'm waiting, from here I will copy the prompt. Here I will use my designs GPT. It's going to give me scalable design, and here I will add the prompt. Scale this in different Halloween elements or objects. Elements and objects. Let's see what we're going to have. As you can see, it starts giving us prompts. Let's grab the first prompt. There is many usages of this program. Let's check what we have here. Let's run the prompt and we're going to see. I'm going to run this one, and let's check. Take a hike. The prompt is take a hike. This one is good. This one as well. This one as well. And let's check. So we asked to scale the ghost, and let's see. Now we've got, yes, very nice cat. Let's try one more. Not this one, this one. There you go. Perfect. So we check the style, we check the remix, we check the describe function. Come on. This is a little bit strange, but we can skip this one. If you don't like the image, just run another one. At the bottom you can say give me 10 more, or 20 or 30 more. It's up to you. You can be polite and say please. Let's see. So this is very nice, and this one I like this. So let's check the last one. Oh, it's very nice. Yeah, they are pretty nice. And from here you can run give me 10 more, give me 10 or more, and create, let's say, 16, 20, 30, 40 PNGs for Clipart set. It's up to you. You can make it just 20, 20, 20. It's going to be faster. But for the Clipart, we need to remove the background. We need first of all, we need to upscale the image. We need to remove the background. We need to be sure it's a 300 dpi because it's a high quality, and you need to decide the size. So I think that's it for today guys. I hope this video was helpful for you and you learned something new from me. Let's recap what we check. We check all the different variations. From here we check 3.0, 2.0 and 2A models. We check the magic prompt off and on. We run prompts from ChatGPT. First of all, we create several prompts. I think it's going to give you 10 prompts. After that, we ask for 10 more. We also run t-shirt design prompts also from ChatGPT. We use image from Amazon, use the style of the image and also describe the image and create another design. We also create one design from completely different niche style design, and we add hike more, worry less, and we create this design. We run this second time because it was the first time it wasn't so good. So with that being said, that's it for today guys. All related links will be down below in the description. Thank you so much for watching and see you in the next one.